Firstly, use your hands to pull apart the base and the power rods. Use your hands to connect the orange button connect to the metal rods. Pull up the power rods. Use the black plastic part to fix the power rods. Pinch the orange button to adjust the height of the power rods. So the frame is unfolded completely. You will get 2 universal wheels, 2 foam wheels, 2 metal rods, and assembly tools. Disassembly the nut and bearing from the metal rod. Press the short side into the wheel. Press the bearing into the wheel fully. Make the power rod cross the foam wheel and the metal gasket. Make it insert into the wheel. Use the hexagon bar to tighten the foam wheel. Until it's tightened, it's okay. Make the universal wheel into the hole. Use the assembly tool to tighten it. Until it's tightened, it's okay. The trolley is unfolded completely. Now let's assemble the back. Put the oxygen-foil closed bed into the power rods. Until place it on the chassis. Make the vacuum cross the plastic bar and cast it on the oxygen bed. Unlock the bar and cross it, and then lock the buckle. Now the bag is assembled well.